Okay, so let us understand what is consolidating data. Consolidating means you are going to combine, you are going to link two or three sheets together, and you are calculating the sum or maybe average or maximum and minimum on the basis of all different sheets. So here I have created three different sheets: one for the sales of few items in the month of January, one for the sales of items in the month of February, and then for this month of March. For consolidating, one more thing you have to remember, that is your items should remain same. Only the data can change. Like this is a heading sales. It is common for all the months, February and March also. Similarly, the items are also same. So let's understand what is this consolidation. Consolidation means we are calculating the sum of data of three different sheets. So I'll go to the new sheet, and here we have to calculate the sum of all three different sheets. So we'll go to the data tab first, and then there is an option under the data to group of data tools. Consolidate button is there. Click on this. Now you have to select that whether you want to calculate the sum, average, count, or what. So I wanted to calculate the sum. So here you have to write the address of the sheet or the cells where you have placed your data. So if I click on this, and I'll go to January and I'll select my data like this. Then click here again. Now click on add button. Now again select the data for from the February sheet and click on add button. Now again select the data from the next sheet and then click on add. Now all the three sheets are added: January, February and March. Now we have to click on this top row because I want my top row should appear in the output also, or in the last combined sheet also, and left column should also appear. Okay, now click on OK button. So in the fifth sheet, or in this sheet, now it is showing the sum of all the sheets. So let's check. So in the month of January, the sales is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 40 is 80. So total is 80. Let's check for Coke also. So it's 20. 20 plus 40 is 60. 60 plus 20 is 80. So this is also correct. So it means we have calculated the sum of numbers from three different sheets. Now I'm doing one change. I'm going to shift this data to some other location, and in the sheet of February also. It means I'm changing the cells, addresses of the cells, you can say. Okay, now let's check in sheet 5. This is static data, means the cells will always remain same irrespective of whatever the changes I'm making on my sheets. The cells, once you have done the calculation, it will never get changed. But what if I'll change my data? The sales, suppose this is incorrect figure and now I have changed it to 80, then it means it will not show me the correct output. So what change we have to do? Go to consolidation again. So I'm going to delete it, and we are doing one change now. So we have to add all these three references, but I'll also take this option, create links to source data. तो यहाँ पे इसने लिया था A1 B1 A2 B2, but I have changed the location now. So let's delete it and we will create it again. All the references. So first January, add. Next February, add. Next March, add. Now we have chosen this option, create links for the data source. It means if even if I'll change the position of the data, then also it will give me the correct calculation. Okay. See now 80, 80 and 55. Earlier also it was like this only. Let's change the position of the data. Check now. The output is same. Now let's do one more change. Instead of 30, I'm going to make it 60 now. And this 15 should be 40. Let's check in this sheet now. Now see, the data is also changed. The total of ice cream is 110 and the fruit is 80. Let's change it in the sheet of March from 20 to 80. So it should be 120 now. Sorry, 140. So yes, it is changed now. So now as you can see, these plus signs are coming. So plus sign means it will also give you the full details, like from book 1, this data is selected from the first sheet. This is the data which was there in the first sheet. This is the data which was there in the second sheet. And this is the data which was there in the third sheet. Sorry, all ice creams from sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and this is the total of ice cream from this is from sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, and this is from sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So all the data is also coming. So if you will make any changes, you will be able to see those changes here also in the output sheet. So if I'll go to February and I'll make one change, instead of a 40, I'm making this 80. Let's check in this sheet. We have done the changes in Coke. Coke. So this is a total of Coke. So 80 जनवरी पहले नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि हमने कंसोलिडेशन में जब हमने देखा था तो यहाँ पे जब रेफरेंसेस हमने ऐड करे थे तो फेब्रवरी इज कमिंग फर्स्ट, देन जनवरी इज कमिंग एंड देन मार्च इज कमिंग. तो फेब्रवरी टॉप पे है, तो फेब्रवरी में कोक प्राइस 80. लेट्स चेंज इट फॉर वन मोर. कोक का प्राइस चेंज करते हैं इन द शीट ऑफ नहीं, वो 20 है, रहने देते हैं, इसको करते हैं. आइसक्रीम का प्राइस चेंज करते हैं in the sheet of March from 40 to 110. 42, so March 40 to 110, and let's check now. So it is changed here also. This means all the sheets are linked with each other and we have consolidated, made a consolidated form of all the sheets, and this is how it looks. So this is a use of consolidation. We can club, we can calculate the total of all the sheets together by consolidating them, and but we have to link the sheets also, because if we will not link the sheets, then the data will not be displayed in the correct form. So I hope it is clear to everyone now. How can you consolidate the data?